Hey, 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 ladies and gentlemen. So it is Monday morning and it is Monday Mojo time. Maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't. I've kind of been out of action for a few weeks, was out for surgery, and I am back to work today. And I got new glasses and I got my hair done. So, maybe just starting fresh, coming back, all new and ready to go. So I apologize that I've been gone for a couple weeks, but needed to be home and recover and get to feeling better. So for those of you who did know and reached out to me, who prayed for me, who gave me words of encouragement, I absolutely appreciate you all. And this for January for me, it was much, much different than any other January I've ever been in business because usually I'm doing a group coaching program. I'm running full bore. But the reality of it is that I was laying on the couch, not being able to exercise, which drove me nuts. I'm not going to lie. I'm not really ashamed of it. I ended up having a total hysterectomy. Been struggling with some things for a lot of years and realized like no matter all the things I try, it just wasn't going to help. So hence we got to fix the issue and had to do some self-care. And so I am back to work after 2 weeks, which is a little crazy, but I do get to sit a lot and I'm watching and paying attention. So here's to the next stage in life, right, ladies? So, anyways, today, now we're back to Monday Mojo. And today I want to talk a little bit about confession. That's what I said. Let's talk confessions today. So, I know that being a health coach and meeting people, coming in as new clients, as thanks, Deb, I appreciate that. Coming in and meeting with me, talking with me about their struggles. The biggest confession isn't that people don't know what to eat or how to eat. It's more about the fact that they don't know how to meal prep and they don't really put value in the foods that they're choosing. And so what ends up happening a lot of times with this is you guys fly by the seat of your pants. So I think really the confession is that everybody struggles, including me. I'm going to be honest with you guys, including me, to want to or to always stick to the healthiest diet and the healthiest choice. Most of us want to live a little. I don't know about you, but I want to enjoy my time and I want to enjoy what I eat and what I drink. But this is something that I want to talk this week about that I actually do teach my clients, and I live by this, is that, instead of feeling guilty about enjoying your life once in a while, it doesn't mean you get to go do whatever you want, whenever you want, eat as much as you want, but it's really about looking at the value of most of your food. When I say most, that's that 90-10 rule, right? Like 90% of your food and drinks and things that you're putting inside your body really should be, guys, good, healthy, brings value to your body and to your life. It's not about whether it's good food or bad food. I just need you guys to know that. This is what I teach my clients. Yes, the truth is eating chocolate cake, or let me just say birthday cake, for lunch instead of having a nice salad with grilled steak or grilled chicken on it is probably not the best choice. But sometimes you have to look at the level of what the good is. Sometimes it's emotionally good. But the problem is we do the all or nothing approach. That cake is bad, so I'm going to cut it out of my life and I'm not going to have it and I'm not going to do it. So then when I do, I go nuts. Okay? So right now, one of the things that I want to give you guys permission to do is to, instead of judging your food on that's good, that's bad, I want you to really start looking at the value of what it's bringing you. Okay? So this is what I want you to think about. Okay, this is the thing. When I am choosing healthier eating habits and healthier foods, these are the values it's going to actually bring to my life. It's going to help me live longer. It's going to boost my immunity. It is going to help me reach and maintain my weight loss or my healthy weight where I'm at. It's going to support muscles and bones, keep my skin, teeth, and eyes healthy. It's going to lower my risk of a long list of chronic diseases. It's going to help my digestive system do its job. Okay. It's going to support healthy pregnancies and breastfeeding. And not to mention, when you're putting value on your food, it's going to give you more energy, or it's actually going to leave you feeling blah and bloated. That's an indicator, okay, of whether that's going to work for you or not. It should cut down on aches and pains if it actually contributes to your aches and pains. And I'm just going to tell you guys, sugar does that. Sugar and junk food does contribute to aches and pains. I had one client at one point that was coming to see me. She had chronic pain all the time. Her muscles hurt. Her bones actually hurt. We got her on my plan, which was just really clean eating, that 90-10 rule, and her pain went away. Her pain went away. She left for Christmas break. We had Christmas break. I always shut down for a couple weeks. Over the Christmas break, she decided to splurge and eat some sugar, and then kind of went crazy with it. And when she came back to me after the break, her pain had all come back. That is going to tell you whether there's value in what you're eating or not. A piece of cake once in a while, there's emotional value, okay? Feeds my soul is what I like to tell people. When you're making a valuable choice, it's going to help you sleep better, not keep you up at night, and it's actually going to boost your workout performance and your recovery. If what you're eating at dinner the night before makes you feel sluggish, feel weighted down, and feel like a hangover, I don't know if you guys have ever had a sugar hangover or a carb hangover, but it feels pretty rough, man. And so then you get up the next day and you just have no energy to do anything. Okay. So what I want you to begin to do is look at your food and the value of your food choices. But the reality of it is we want to make sure that 90% of the time we are feeling beautiful and feeling good with what we're consuming, guys. Okay. I hate the idea of people feeling guilty, Michael, that you had a piece of pumpkin pie. Okay. That I love a good piece of pumpkin pie. And I'll tell you, every Thanksgiving, I'm going to have a piece of pumpkin pie. Probably won't have the crust because I'm gluten intolerant, but I will eat the inside of it because I absolutely love it with some good whipped cream. I don't feel guilty about that. Okay. So what I want you guys to understand is if your relationship with food is, I ate that food is bad, and now I feel guilty about it, it's not the right kind of relationship, guys. And that is only going to dig you deeper in a hole. And that doesn't just go away. You have to begin to change the way you think, the way you look at your choices, and doing exactly what I've said today, which is look at the value of what you're doing. I know, Michael, I was just using your piece of pumpkin pie as an example. He said, oh, I have a piece of pie and I have no shame. I taught you well, friend. I've taught you well. So here's the easy tip I want to have to make sure that you have healthy. The easy tip that's going to help you is to really make sure that more often than not, you have healthy food on hand. Okay. That's the big thing. Have a plan. Understand that if I have the stuff there, most of the time, I'm going to end up making it and eating it. There are a lot of days that I come home and I'm very much a planner, guys. I very much plan what I'm eating, how I'm eating. When I order my groceries, I have stuff on hand all the time. And there's times I get home from work and I'm like, I ain't feeling that. But I have also learned that it doesn't matter whether I'm feeling it, because usually when I'm not feeling it, I'm being led more by my emotions or my energy levels because I'm tired. It's the end of the day and I don't feel like cooking versus, hey, I am going to eat that because I know when I get done, I'm going to feel satisfied. It's going to nourish my body and there's great value in that. And I'll be honest, like I just have learned to push through that and I always enjoy what I eat. So pay attention to whether you're walking in emotion or you're walking in really thinking it through and understanding the value. Okay. So the other tip I want to give you is, sometimes we just don't feel like cooking. So when it comes to having stuff on hand, double batch or double cook, not double cook, but double the amount you're cooking. Okay, so if you're frying up hamburger for tacos, fry up an extra pound so tomorrow night you can use it for something else. Or freeze it up, cook. So all you have to do is defrost it, warm it up, throw something else in it. Okay, I know for me, I always, always, always cook extra. So when we're grilling steak, we grilled steaks yesterday because it was beautiful outside and it wasn't freezing. And we always have an extra steak, you know? It's exactly a good thing, and that's what's going for my lunch today. So I've got a good healthy salad with some chopped up steak on top of it. It's going to be good. So here's the thing, guys. It really is that simple. I know it is harder than me saying it's simple. But the truth of the matter is, guys, is this, that when I put my mind to something and I walk through the process of my thoughts, the beautiful thing is we always have a choice. Sometimes it's a temporary moment. Sometimes we have a few minutes to think about it. Sometimes we're thinking about it all day. But the reality of it is your choices matter. But the more important thing is, how do you break through that thought process of good versus bad, which then creates shame and keeps the cycle going? Okay? Look at the value of what this piece of food or this drink is putting back into your body. Okay? All right. So, hey, so that is what I've got for you today. I'm super stoked to have the opportunity to be back at the office. I don't like sitting at home. I'm going to be honest with you. I really don't. As much as I liked laying around, at some point I'm over it and I'm ready to come back. So if you are looking at, hey, January wasn't my best choices, January didn't work out the way I wanted, I am accepting new clients right now. And I am very excited to bring you guys in and help you keep going. And as well, I'm looking at starting a group coaching program probably in March. So I'm just kind of deciding what I want to do with it and get you guys, ready for summer that's coming. Yay, because I'm ready for warm weather. Deb, thank you, friend. I am loving it too. I love these new glasses. They're pretty stinking amazing. So thank you for the compliment. So let me know, guys, like if this is something in the comments, put it in the comments. Let me know if this is something you guys struggle with. Do you struggle with shame with your food? Do you struggle with that's bad, so I don't ever eat it? So when I do, then I self-sabotage myself and I eat all the food? Because I used to go through that all the time. And really our biggest goal, guys, is to have a better relationship with food. Okay? And I have a great relationship with food. What I'm saying is we need to have a better relationship. So if this is you, you can definitely give me a call. I do a 1-hour free consultation for you guys to come in and meet with me and see if I'm a good fit. For those of you who are previous clients and my friends that are following and commenting today, hopefully you are feeling really good about what you guys are doing. And I love the comments today. Thank you for all your feedback. I've missed you all. I hope that you guys had a good January and it's looking up. Yeah, Michael, Hawaiian, you need to go back to Hawaii. I agree with you, friend. They spent this week planning our vacation for May. Thinking spring, thinking spring, thinking spring. All right, guys, love you very much. Have a blessed week. I hope this motivates you to think, to do, to act, and be the best you that you can be, okay? We'll talk to you later.